In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect hosting your domain to GitHub pages, step by step. Before we begin, make sure you already have a GitHub account, a repository that contains your website files, and a domain registered at Hostinger. It also helps if your site is already set up to publish with GitHub pages, since we'll be pointing your custom domain to that published site. Start by opening GitHub in your browser and signing in. From your dashboard, head straight to the repository that hosts the website you want to publish. Inside that repository, look along the top for the Settings tab. This is where GitHub keeps all the project level configuration you'll need for pages. Once you're in Settings, find the Pages section in the left sidebar. The Pages screen is the control center for your site's publishing. You'll see details about where your site is being built from and options for domain configuration. If your site has already been built by GitHub Pages, you should see a live link. If you don't, that's fine. Connecting the domain here is still the right place to start. Next, look for the Custom Domain field. This is where you'll connect your Hostinger domain to your GitHub Pages site. Type your domain exactly as you want visitors to use it. For example, yourdomain.com or .yourdomain.com. Choose one primary version to avoid duplicates. Many people prefer using the root domain, while others prefer the subdomain for flexibility. Either way works. Just be consistent. After entering your domain, click Save. GitHub will attempt to verify ownership and map the domain to your site. It may show you guidance paying about DNS records. This is normal. Connecting the domain typically requires that your DNS points to GitHub servers. If you see a note about adding A or CNAME records, that's simply GitHub telling you what your DNS should look like. You'll make those adjustments with your domain's DNS provider. On Hostinger, this is done in hPanel under DNS settings, where you can add the records GitHub lists. DNS changes can take time to propagate, so don't worry if it doesn't connect instantly. Back on the Pages screen, once GitHub detects the correct DNS, it will finalize the custom domain and issue an HTTPS certificate. This can take several minutes. When it's done, your GitHub Pages site will load from your Hostinger domain over a secure connection. That's it. By going to your repository, opening Settings, selecting Pages, entering your custom domain, and saving, you've linked your Hostinger domain to your GitHub Pages site.